I'm Travis Oberg.
My name is Maureen Murphy.
I am Professor McCarthy.
I'm Jason Holmes. Right now I'm teaching turbine engines here. I was actually a former student here. I went here back in 2018, 2019. Ever since then I've worked in the field until about last summer when I came back here to teach.
I've been here since 2023 and I will teach just about anything in this program.
I'm actually a graduate of the program myself, so I graduated in one of the first cohorts to ever go through this program. It's changed a lot in the years that it's been open, and I remember getting out of the program and feeling like I could do anything.
A typical day, we're out here working on the airplanes, really.
Depending on what class it is, we'll do a little bit of coursework, introduce the topic, talk about some things in the book, and then oftentimes we'll go out here and do hands-on actual practical experiences on aircraft, just like you would when you get out in the field.
Before we even go out to the lab, we have students get their personal protective equipment on. We cover the safety protocols.
We are looked highly on throughout the world in our aviation industry for our safety standards.
So a typical day in this program will start in the classroom with top-notch faculty instructing our students. Recently we had a graduate who is on track to make over $150,000 this year straight out of this program.